I will introduce you to the pressing quilt washing machine we have manufactured. First of all, our machine operates with a brake motor and a belt pulley system. Additionally, it is supported by a drive system. Furthermore, it functions with 4 legs, 4 springs, and 4 vacuum feet. The water capacity of our machine is 200 liters and its wet quilt capacity is 65 liters. Our machine has filled with 200 liters of water. Here are the water inlet and outlet points. We provide water from here and it exits from here. After supplying the water, once water starts coming out of this valve, we stop the water supply. At this point, 200 liters of water is complete. Our automatic valve. During the washing process, the valve remains closed and you don't need to do anything. After half an hour, when the washing is complete and the machine switches to spin mode, the valve automatically opens and it drains the water. About the control panel of our machine. It includes buttons for starting and stopping the washing process, as well as for moving the lid forward and backward. We use this panel to adjust the inner drum to the correct position. There's also a valve open-close system. When the machine switches to spin mode and complete the process, the valve will remain open. You can close it from here and start the machine. Additionally, there are indicator lights, one for washing mode, one for spin mode, and an emergency stop button for any potential danger. Thing I want to talk about, if all the process is done and you see that the quilt is not very dry or as dry as you want, what you want to do here is the inner drum switch and the valve switch, you both at the same time you turn them to the left at the same time, which will give you an extra 5 minutes of spinning without the need of filling the water again. How to wash quilts and blankets. Currently the machine contains 200 liters of water. Inside we have 1 quilt and 2 blankets. Now let's close the lid. We need to make sure the latches are fully secured. Then close the outer lid and we are ready to start washing process. We will start the machine. All you need to do is press the start button and watch the machine in action. Our machine has completed the washing mode and the spinning mode. Now I will show you how to activate the extra spin function, the spin mode. First, let's open the lid. And now let's see, I'm squeezing as hard as I can. It has successfully squeezed it. No water, as you see, just 1 or 2 drops. Now let's try this one. Yes, this is the same. That's the hardest that I can squeeze with my hand. Now let's try the other blanket or the other quilt. Yes, see, this has a little bit of water. Now let's say we don't like it, we want to spin it and squeeze it again. Let's close the lid. We close the latches, secure the drum safety, make sure of it, and we close the outer drum, making sure everything is secure. Then we turn both the lid forward, backward, and the valve open, close buttons to the left simultaneously at the same time, and activating the extra spin mode. See here. Extra spin mode of our machine has finished. Now let's take a look at the quilt and the blankets together. Okay, now let's see the blankets. I will try to squeeze it from more than one place, from different places, to see how much water it comes. As you can see, there's little to no water at all. So yeah, this is our machine. Thank you for watching.